A routine flight took a terrifying turn when an American Airlines plane bound for Florida suddenly dropped over 15,000 feet within 3 minutes, leaving passengers shaken. Reports said that American Airlines Flight 5916 was en route from Charlotte, North Carolina to Gainesville, Florida when the incident unfolded. The incident was attributed to a possible pressurization issue on the aircraft. According to data from FlightAware, the plane rapidly descended almost 20,000 feet within a mere 11 minutes. Particularly alarming was the aircraft's rapid descent of 18,600 feet in less than 6 minutes, occurring 43 minutes into the flight. A convoy of Chinese engineers was attacked in Pakistan's Balochistan province by armed rebels on Sunday. According to local media reports, Pakistani security forces killed two terrorists in a gunfight. Two Pakistani security personnel were also injured when a convoy of engineers working for a Chinese construction company came under attack on Fakir Bridge in Gwadar. As per the latest report, in a self-sacrificing operation in Gwadar, two Fidain of BLA Majid Brigade, Naveed Balok alias Aslam Balok of Dasht Nigor and Makbul Balok alias Kaim Balok of Geshkora Waran targeted a convoy of the Chinese engineers. This operation, Zir Pahzag, continued for more than 2 hours. According to the information received so far, at least 4 Chinese nationals and 9 personnel from the Pakistani military were killed and several were injured. Typhoon Khanun has passed through Russia over the Primorye region. The Emergencies Ministry in Moscow said that the Russian authorities sent a task force to oversee the cleanup of the parts of the country's far east on Sunday after the typhoon wreaked havoc. On Sunday, the Russian Emergency Situations Ministry said that over 2,000 people, including 405 children, have been evacuated from flooded areas of the Primorye region in Russia's far east. Russia's TSS news agency quoted the ministry as saying that the number of flooded homes stood at 4,368, while 5,654 adjoining plots and 7 apartment buildings were also flooded. It said 28 settlements remained cut off. On Friday, local officials said the downpours had already caused floods in 7 districts and killed at least 3 people. Rescue workers combed through the rubble of damaged buildings in the city of Pokrovsk in eastern Ukraine on Tuesday. It happened the day after Russian strikes killed at least 7 people. Pokrovsk sits just 50 kilometers from the eastern front line where Moscow says it is gaining ground and repelling Ukrainian attacks. 2 missiles launched 40 minutes apart damaged residential buildings, a hotel, catering establishments, shops, and administrative buildings on Monday. Reports said that rescuers evacuated survivors from the rubble of a 5-story building and carried the wounded into ambulances. According to reports, 7 people died and 67 were wounded, including 2 children.